السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته. قال رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. In this short video, inshallah, I want to show you and to give you the gift on how you can make your recitation beautiful by using one of the maqamat. Maqamat that I want to show you is called Maqam Nahawand. It has 4 steps, and then if you follow these 4 steps, you can read anywhere, you can use it anywhere inside the Quran al-Karim, and your recitation will be very good. So I will demonstrate it in the hum way to show you the steps in the hum. Then I will demonstrate in Surah Al-Fatiha so that you can implement, you can use it and repeat it. The most important when you are doing with maqamat is to repeat and practice. The more you practice, the more you gain the recitation, and inshallah bi'idhnillahi ta'ala, after the end of this video you will know how to recite Maqam Nahawand. So the hum of the Maqam Nahawand, it goes like this. The first hum, the second, the third, and the fourth. So I will repeat again the hums. So this is the way of the hums it goes. So when you start with the first, second, third, and the fourth, then you repeat again the same. So let's demonstrate it in Surah Al-Fatiha. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, Ar-Rahmanir Rahim, Maliki Yawmiddin, Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in, اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. Amen. So in this way you can revise, you can listen again and repeat, you can pause and repeat and practice. Inshallah bi'idhnillahi ta'ala, you will be able to recite any place in the Quran by using this maqamat. And let me recite again Surah Al-Fatiha in the whole so that you can do it and repeat it every time you want to practice the Quran. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. Ameen. Inshallah, up to this point, inshallah, try, repeat, and listen again and repeat. Inshallah, you'll get more benefits in this Maqam Nahawand, and you'll be able to recite in any place. Don't forget, inshallah, if you have any value, if you get any value in this video, the lessons that you get, if you understood or you didn't understand or you have a question, inshallah, leave it in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to turn your notification bell if you are in YouTube, watching this video in YouTube, and also don't forget to share to other people so that they can get benefits in recitation, in their recitation of Quran al-Karim. Wallahu subhanahu wa ta'ala a'lam wa ahkam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuhu.